So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to prepare Hella Nuts ground walnut meat. We will be making a thawed version. Here's what it looks like when it's all thawed out. We're going to be using avocado oil in the pan. Avocado oil has a high smoke point, but you don't have to use any oil. This is just what I prefer. That's how much I used. Then you're just going to add your meat into the pan. Trust me, you want to get all of that out of there. You're going to want every little drop of that meat. Then you're just going to stir and stir. Then you should measure out a 1/4 cup of water. Now you can begin to stir. You guys don't need to add any seasoning or onions and peppers to this. This is something that is conveniently pre-seasoned, so all you have to do is heat and serve. So you're just going to take your top off and stir. Give it some love, seduce it a little bit. So your walnut meat should start looking like this, with a little bit of water, but don't worry, it'll evaporate. It'll begin to look like this when it's almost ready. Just leave it on the stove to simmer and rest. Again, this is Hella Nuts ground walnut meats, available online at our online store. No MSG, patent pending product. And just keep gently stirring it. You gotta show your meat some love. The more you stir, the better it gets. And this is what your walnut meat should look like when it's done. Order yours today.